Okay, first one of the day. I think we're going to have a new Minger of the month, Suzuki Bergman. This bike has been sitting for some time. Funny enough, it starts on the button, runs well, but cosmetically, she is rough. This is a friend of mine who trades bikes here and there. He's expecting me to work a miracle on this. Not too sure what I'm supposed to do with it. She is hanging. I would say it's been sitting for a good few years. Like I said, it does start on the button, funny enough. I think he's just had it all serviced, but cosmetically, she is rough. So we're gonna do what we can with it. 3 hours I've got. That's all he wants to spend on it, so we will do what we can. See if we can freshen up this plastic a little bit. Get it looking like it should. Get a bit of corrosion protection on it. Do a bit of polishing on this windscreen. Can't even see through it. Well, there you go. 3 hours on the dot. That was my limit. Suzuki Bergman has now been trotted and looks a different bike. This old girl's been sitting outside for some while. Lots of polishing, painting. I did a 2-stage machine polish to get a bit of gloss back into that black. Polished and polished on that windscreen. All those wheels I dusted with a bit of silver as all the paint's coming off. Really need to be powder coated. All the back, all the exhaust have been minted. All the rusty shocks have been sanded down. I repainted those. I said I painted all the ABS ring that was red rusty. All this plastic trim, I use the Ultimax Trimax, which is a ceramic infused plastic restore. Look at that. That was milky white, all that plastic, looking pretty sweet now. Polished up the instruments as they were all cloudy. All done, 3 hours on the dot. That was my limit. Looks a different bike. Get yours booked in for a little trot love. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Give us a call, 07966 249 963.